Hey, everyone! Today, I'm diving into the latest surprise from Apple. Yep, you guessed it, the iPhone 16e. Just when you thought Apple couldn't hit us with more iPhones, they dropped this mid-range marvel. So, let's see what you get for $599. First up, the price. It's a bump from the previous SE, which was $429. Now it's sitting between the Pixel 8a at $499 and the Galaxy S24 FE at $650. Apple, always keeping us on our toes with their definition of affordable. Design-wise, think iPhone 14's aluminum body but with a matte glass back. It's rocking that familiar 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. But here's the kicker, no high refresh rate, just 60 Hz in 2025. Even budget phones are cruising at 90 Hz. Oh, and the notch is still here. No dynamic island for you, my friend. Now let's talk about the guts. The 16e packs the A18 Bionic chip, same as the iPhone 16 and 16 Plus. That means you get all those snazzy Apple Intelligence features on a sub-$600 phone. And for the first time, Apple's using their in-house C1 modem. It's supposed to be super power efficient and support sub-6 5G. No mmWave though, camera time. You get a single 48MP wide rear camera which can do a digital 2x zoom via sensor cropping. And on the front, a 12MP camera with Face ID and autofocus. Pretty solid for your Insta game, but nothing groundbreaking here. Battery life is another selling point. Apple claims you get up to 26 hours of video playback. That's probably thanks to the efficient A18 and C1 chips. But, as always, take those numbers with a pinch of salt. For charging, you've got 20W wired and 7.5W Qi wireless. No MagSafe though, which might be a bummer for some. So, who's this phone for? The 16e slots right between the budget SE and the flagship iPhone 16. It's got a modern design and key features at a more accessible price point. But, let's be real, it's no longer the special edition. It's more like the economical edition of the iPhone 16 family. Now, a few things to chuckle about, only two color options, black and white. Apple living on the edge, right? And the naming shift from SE to 16e because why not keep us guessing? So is the iPhone 16e worth the hype? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech news. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.